It all starts with data. Every day, we face challenges, be it with teammates or formidable opponents. Regardless of the situation, we don't give up easily. We rely on precise and reliable data. A series of analytical procedures, driven by intelligent algorithms, are essential. Once we find the key, our journey continues to find the right people for implementation. After all, compromise has never been our choice. Research, experimentation, and experimental research. Endless exploration until it's certain. As scientists, we keep our rational experimental spirit, but it always comes back to the data, because data speaks for itself. Maintaining a scientific mindset requires constant review, learning, and practice. So, do you think they're scientific enough? Thankfully, they don't shy away from the challenge. With so many products, it's bound to be tricky, but they handle it with the utmost intelligence. Mastering technology, preserving the classics, solving our problems and yours. The best supplier for premium rubber and suspension parts. Tenacity mounts your value.